Hi guys, so we're eating dinner. Here's the sinigang I cook. The pork sinigang is one of my daughter's favorite as well. So here you go. Hope you guys have a good dinner as well. Stay safe and stay healthy. Have a good evening.
Bye.
This is how I cook my pork sinigang. Onion, vegetables. For the vegetables, you can also put okra, green bean, and bok choy, radish, add this sinigang mix to the sourness of your choice or preference. I like adding celery in my sinigang. Eggplant. Cook the meat until it is soft and tender. Then add the vegetables. Don't forget to taste. I used lettuce because I don't have any bok choy in my fridge. Add the leafy vegetables at the end. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay na yan guys. Don't forget to cook rice. This is how I measure the amount of water I need to put in my rice. Voila! Dinner is served. Enjoy eating your dinner, my love. I love you so much. Love, Mommy.